Hey guys, I'm doing Julie here. Today we're doing part 3 of genders in German, and today we're going to study the neutral gender, which is described by the article das. Right? So, and what is a neutral? Neutral describes mainly things, concepts, or results of actions. First group that uses das, which is neutral, is diminutives. Which means making things smaller. So in German, the diminutive is described by ending hen, C-H-E-N, or lein, L-E-I-N. For instance, we can say the girl, das Mädchen, das Mädchen. Or we can say das Brötchen, the bread roll. Interestingly, child in German is das Kind. I don't know why that's, but anyway. So the next category for neutral words in German is infinitives and adjectives as nouns. For instance, when we have verbal nouns, for instance, food, das Essen. It comes from the verb to eat, essen, but it becomes a noun. So therefore, das Essen. Or to swim, it's schwimmen. When we want to make that into a noun, it's das Schwimmen. Okay? And then we also have colors. Das Blau, blue. Das Rot, red. Then the next group for neutral nouns, we have physical categories. For instance, metals, das Gold, das Silber, das Eisen. Or we also have countries and cities. Most cities are neutral. Das Deutschland, das Berlin. Usually we use them with the article if there's an adjective. For instance, das schöne Paris. I don't know because I've never been there, but anyway. That's grammar. Last but not least, we have some reliable suffixes for neutral. The first one is for instance, that's Zentrum, center. We also have ment, M-E-N-T, that's document. We also have M-A, that's Thema, theme, the theme. And last but not least, we have O, that's auto. There's another category of neutral nouns, which is the words that start with G, which describe a collection of repetitive action. For instance, das Gebirge, so mountain range. Or you can say das Gemüse, vegetables, or conversation, das Gespräch. And that's it. I hope you like this series about genders in German. Let me know if you like, and let me know which one of you thought was easy to learn. Don't forget to hit like, don't forget to subscribe, to share this content, and please support me by being a member. You can also support me on Patreon or PayPal. You can also buy my Japanese course in Portuguese. And you can follow me on X or Instagram at Gengotaku JP. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.